Did you know you can print remotely from your tablet or mobile phone to a PPLD location using the Printer On app? You can also print email and email attachments by sending them to ppld-bw@printspots.com. Remote printing can be picked up at the following PPLD locations during their hours of operation when open to the public: Cheyenne Mountain, East, Fountain, High Prairie, Library 21C, Manitou Springs, Monument, Old Colorado City, Penrose, Rockrimmon, Ruth Holly, and Sand Creek. To check the hours of operation, call 719-389-8968 or visit ppld.org. To send your print job to a PPLD location from your phone or tablet, you first need to install the Printer On app to your device. Go to your device's app store and search for Printer On. Tap on Printer On Print Services and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. This opens up the Printer On app. The first thing you need to do is select a printer. Tap on the bar at the bottom that says No Printer Selected. Tap on the magnifying glass to search. In the search bar, type PPLD and then select the printer. There are two printer options, black and white and color. Black and white prints are 10 cents per page and color is 25 cents per page. Once you select your printer, you can verify the information by tapping on that printer at the bottom of your screen. And it will display printer information such as an address, the type of print that's available, and also the email printing address. To return to the home screen, tap on the back arrow at the top. You can send documents, photos, or web pages to be printed. To print a document, tap on Documents. Select the document that you want to print, and then review the automatically generated preview. To set the print options, tap on the icon at the top right, which is a paper with a gear. From here you can select how many copies you want to print, the orientation for your print job, and then you can verify the paper size. If you're ready to submit your job, tap on OK. To send your job to the printer, tap on the green Print button at the bottom of your screen. At this point, you need to enter your guest name. This should be a unique identifier that will help you when printing your job at the library. It can be your library card number, your name, and even your email address. Using your library card number allows you to claim your $1 of free printing per day. When you've entered your guest name, go ahead and tap on Print. This submits your job to the Printer On system. To review your print history and to ensure that your job was sent to the printer, tap on Print History at the bottom of your screen. You'll see that the print was successful and how many pages were sent. You're able to pick up your print job from the PPLD location that you selected during that location's hours of operation. The print job will remain in the system for 24 hours. Once you arrive at the selected library location, visit a print kiosk to release the job using the guest name that you selected during the submission process. If you need assistance, please visit a service desk.